First of all, I want to talk about an electrical appliance that I like very much recently. It is a hairdryer from Lancome. I chose a gray. I think it is very beautiful. The best part is that it is really light. The same weight, the wind speed is very fast. It has 3 gears. Usually I drive the highest wind speed. Then I belong to the category with very little hair. Basically, it takes 2 or 3 minutes to blow dry the hair. Even at the loudest, it is also much quieter than traditional hair dryers. And I really like the hollow design. I believe that everyone has the same fantasies as me. After my hair was twisted in such a horrific sight. But with this design, there is no fear at all. It is the traditional hair dryer, and I think the price of this hair dryer is quite reasonable. It is really suitable for everyone to make a small investment.